In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete DigitalOcean account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what each option means so you can close your account confidently and cleanly. First, open the DigitalOcean website and sign into your dashboard. Before moving on, take a moment to review any active resources like droplets, databases, volumes, load balancers, and snapshots. If there's anything you want to keep, back it up now. Also, make sure there are no outstanding invoices or credits you want to use because deleting your account will prevent future access. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the top right corner and click the profile icon. This is where your personal and billing settings live, and it's the quickest path to account controls related to deletion. From the menu that appears, choose My Account. This takes you to your account profile where you can manage personal details, authentication settings, and, importantly, the deactivation controls. On the account page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Deactivate Account. This area explains what happens when you proceed and highlights important implications. It's worth reading the notes here so you understand how resources and data will be handled. When you're ready, click Deactivate. This doesn't immediately erase everything. Instead, it moves you to the dedicated deactivation page where you can review your choices and confirm. Think of this as a safety step to prevent accidental deletion. On the deactivation page, you'll see an option to purge my account data. This is optional, but it's important. Purging goes beyond closing access. It requests removal of your personal data from DigitalOcean systems, subject to their retention policies and legal requirements. If you need the most thorough cleanup, enable this. If you want to retain certain records for compliance or bookkeeping, you can leave it off. When your selections are set, click Delete Account and Purge Data to finalize. You may be asked to confirm one more time. After confirmation, your access will be removed and any purging you selected will be queued by DigitalOcean. Keep in mind, this action is irreversible, so double check that you've saved any configurations, backups, or invoices you might need later. That's it. You navigated from your dashboard to your account settings, reviewed the deactivation section, chose whether to purge data, and confirm deletion. If you run into warnings about active resources or billing, resolve those first and try again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you cleanly close your DigitalOcean account with confidence.